The reason for this video section is to show the indicator being set up for measuring in angle mode instead of linear mode. When we talk about linear, we mean that when the indicator is mounted onto the shaft and you are turning through continuously in one direction, it will count up. When you turn it in the opposite direction, it counts up, and importantly, when it gets to 0, it will start counting negatively, as you can see. However, if the indicator is to be applied in angular mode, it requires on the application that the indicator starts counting down in angle from the 0 point. So it will count up in degrees, and then as you go through the 0 point, we want it to start counting 359, for example. So what we do is we go into the parameters, and we first, via pressing the P button for the 5 seconds, then as you can see here, we've set it to 1000. In angular mode, we need to change this to 3600. So we move along the digits till we get to the third one. We can change this now by pressing the up arrow to the 6, then head further to the left and change this to, sorry, I've gone through it, but we'll change it through again to 3600. We store that value by pressing the star key, head down via the P button further through the parameter list to the decimal point, which is in the correct place. So now after the revolution, it will display 360.0, meaning 360.0 degrees. So we head further down until we come to the node parameter, and that is set to linear. We change that to 360, which is the angle setting. Press the star button. That's registered the change. Now we head out to the position value, we can then 0 it, and we can now see that as we turn through the one turn, we will go to 360, and then it resets to 0.